Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be practicing our multiplication facts. I'm going to start off um from the times 1 table all the way to the 10. So yeah, I'm pretty sure that like 1 and 2 are pretty easy, but I'm still going to do them if you don't know. So yeah, basically if you do this 1 table, I'm going to have to answer 20 questions in 1 minute. So you basically when you see the number 1 with the other number, don't care about the number 1 when you're doing 1 times 1 table. Just care about the number that's not 1, and then just basically answer that question in there. So yeah, do it. And and if you see 0, anything times 0 is 0. So right here, 1 0 1 4 7 2 10 7 6 oh no 3 1 0 8. See, but of course I can do it even faster. Okay, that is, wait, main, I'm gonna do that way much faster, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. Like I'm gonna be doing it. I already showed you how to do it, but I'm gonna do it fast. So yeah, start. Okay, and start. 3 2 7 10 8 3 0 9 1 2 8 10 1 3 7 5 4 1 10 2. See, bam! Only in 16 seconds, I did 20 questions of multiplication facts. The times 1 multiplication facts. You can go on this website and it's called Math Magician, and that's it. Just write Math Magician, and then the first link that will come up, just click on that, and then you will see this. So yeah, and also you can print your score out. So yeah, now what we are gonna do is learn the times 2 table. So anything that you do times 2 has to be like right now is this question 1, 7 times 2. What you can do is 7 plus 7, which is 14. So yeah, right here, 14. 8 plus 8 equals 16. And remember what I said, anything times 0 is 0. Again, 16. 5 plus 5, I think this is the most easiest, is 10. 14, and this is 2. 6 plus 6 is 12. 2 times 2 is 4. 8 times 8 equals 6. 8 times 8 equals 16. 0, 6, 2, 4, 2, 14, 18, 12, 0. Oh. Oh, time's up. Wait. Let me do it again. I was teaching this, so I didn't have much time. This is going to be my fast round. And go. Wait. Go. Wait. Come on. Go. 18, 4, 10, 18, 6, 20, 6, 14, 16, 20, 14, 12, 2, 18, 16, 10, 2, 14, 12, and 14. Bam. 24 seconds. And of course I can print it out. It says outstanding. And yeah, this is like basically the best multiplication fact website that I know of. So yeah, this is like you can like click. Please click in the box below. Enter your name. You can enter your name, and like you can, and like when you pass, you can print the card that you did, and basically like show it to your parents if like show it to your parents, and like they'll be proud of you that you did like the 5 times table in like 30 seconds and that. So all of these multiplication facts through 10 answer 20 questions in 1 minute. But the most best is the mixed one. You have to answer like they're mixed, like they're with like they're not just like one independent times one. Like it can be like 2 times 3, 4 times 6. Like those mix and also answer 20 questions in 1 minute. So yeah, that's all what you need to do. And there's also other ones like there isn't just a multiplication one. There's a division one. There is an addition one. There's a division. Did I say division already? Yeah. So there is the multiplication, the division, the addition, and the subtraction. Um, that's basically all what you need, and I will be leaving a link in the description of what the website is of the multiplication one. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below, and share this with your friends. If you know some people who don't like who can't really do the multiplication really good, let them watch this video and learn their multiplication facts from here. And I'll see you later, guys. Bye.